Hello, everybody. Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with the Engineers Bulletin's October edition. If you've looked in my community section, I have um, put out the written version of it. I'd like to do a video version of it as well for the ones who have not seen it. Things are going to be ramping back up. I apologize for the lack of uploads so far. Really, the last month, I've been real busy with my job and also with my family. So some time is taking me away from some of the videos, but I'm still taking some videos and getting them processed and edited into the software. So um, this Sunday at 2 o'clock Eastern Time, we do have a matinee performance. August along Tidewater Rails, and I also have September's that's just about ready to go. We're going to get August's video out of the way, and then I'll be able to get September's up there, and then we will go from there. Also, I'm going to be starting to do some title changes as well, so we're going to actually make some changes um, transitioning from the last part of 2021 and into 2022. Some title changes are going to be taking place, and to try to change things up a little bit. So that's that right now. October Q&A prompt is out. Please remember to take a look at that. And if you haven't asked any questions already, you're more than welcome to do so. I know there are a couple of people up there that actually have already asked their questions. So it is already on. So just remember, you've got some time, but definitely give that a look. Also, on the HO side of things, another engine of mine is coming back from the shop. It's my NS6099, the Bachmann SD40-2. Just got done after getting serviced up and a DCC upgrade. That has actually been completed from the shop, and that is actually getting ready to come back. So that's that. So that'll be another run by that I'll be able to do here real soon under a DCC decoder. So that's going to be a really big plus there. Probably the next one that I'm going to get upgraded is the NW 1629, which is that high hood SD40-2. That's going to complete one of my other products I'm working on with HO. Is just this locomotive that was recently coming back has just been a little bit backed up. So the place where I sent it down, the guy's been really backed up. So I've actually just had to wait it out a little bit. So that's getting ready to come back, and I'm glad that's coming back. So that's going to be another engine that's DCC upgraded. Then it will be this one, and then the next one that will be upgraded is the 1446, which is that GP15-1. And that's going to be another little project that will be done for HO. So hopefully I'll be able to have it done by let's say December, hopefully. But of course, it's just going to really depend. So the 6099 is out of the way. Then the 1629 will get upgraded, and so will the 1446. So that's just a couple of the updates on HO that I'm getting ready to start back up with. And as far as for O gauge, nothing has really changed right now. I've just been keeping the trains running, but no other products for O gauge have been taking place. But a lot of projects for that took place this year, and I'm still adding a bunch of those projects up into the log that I've been taking this year. So that is that. So some of the behind the scenes work is starting to wind down a little bit, getting some things done and getting back into the studio some, which is going to be great. Not to worry, videos are still being taken place, but of course I'm not been able to record them as often just because of all the things I've had going on recently. So anyway, that's October's Engineers Bulletin video version. So just remember, tap the notification bell where you get the latest videos that are coming out, as well as hit that subscribe button, and remember to smash the like button on it. Please put me out there, say that I'm out here, and I think I've closed it over 1,500. I just want to say thank you to everybody who has actually who have subbed to me over the course of my time here. It's actually been really good, and I've been very blessed to have all of you as subscribers, and I look forward to produce more videos and having some more fun. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace out, everyone, and may God bless.